everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Shreya and today we are diving into some major updates regarding UK immigration policies. So whether you're planning to move to the UK, already here on a visa or aiming for ILR, these changes could significantly impact your journey. Let's break it all down in an easy to understand way. One of the most significant changes announced in the May 2025 Immigration White Paper is the extension of the qualifying period for the ILR. Previously, most immigrants could apply for ILR after 5 years of continuous lawful residence in the UK. Now, this period has been extended to 10 years for the majority of visas, including the skilled worker and the family visas. These changes aims to ensure that the individuals have sustained commitment to the UK before obtaining permanent residency. However, it's really important to note that the policy is still under consultation and it's quite unclear at this point in time whether it will be applying retrospectively to those who are already on the path of ILR. Alongside the extended duration, the UK is introducing point-based system for ILR applications. This means that beyond just time spent in the UK, applicants will actually have to demonstrate their contribution to the British society. So there are a couple of ways in which one can actually earn those points. So the one would be higher salaries and tax contributions, professional qualifications, community service or volunteering, or working in shortage occupation list. So the first and the foremost would be the changes for the graduate visa. For international students, there's been a notable change in the graduate visa route. The post-study work period has been reduced to 18 months, down from 2 years. So that's quite a significant change. The shorter time frames actually means that the graduates will have to secure employment that meets the skilled worker visa requirements more quickly. It's crucial for students to plan ahead and be proactive in their job search so that they can ensure a smooth transition from a graduate visa to a skilled worker visa within the time frame. The next would be the changes in the skilled worker visa. The skilled worker visa has had several updates. So the first would be the salary threshold. The minimum salary requirements has increased to 38,700 per year. That is up from 26,200 per year. However, there still are exceptions for certain roles and new entrants. The next would be qualification level. Applicants now need a degree level qualification, that would be RQF level 6, to be eligible, narrowing the scope for the lower skilled roles. The next would be health and care visa update. While still available, overseas recruitment for adult social care roles will end by 2028, and they would be emphasizing on getting people who are already here in UK, or domestic recruitment as we say. So the next would be family visa updates. Family visa applications are also affected. The standard route to ILR for partners and parents has been extended to 10 years, aligning with the changes in the other visa routes. However, certain exceptions and other routes may still apply based on individual circumstances. The 2025 White Paper outlines broader reforms aimed at reducing net migration and ensuring that those who settle in the UK contribute meaningfully. Key proposals include: the first is increased English language requirements, raising the standard to B2 for ILR applicants. The next is integration measures, emphasizing community involvement and cultural integration as part of the settlement process. The next would be visa fees adjustment, an increase in visa fees and the immigration health surcharge to reflect the cost of public services. With these changes, it is important more than ever to stay informed and plan ahead. So here are some quick tips for you. The first would be stay updated. Regularly check official sources like gov.uk for the latest information. Seek professional advice. Consult with immigration advisor or solicitors to understand how changes could affect your specific situation. Document everything. Keep record of your employment, community involvement, and other contribution to make your ILR application stronger. Thanks for watching. These changes represent a significant shift in the UK's immigration landscape. If you have questions or need further clarification, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on future videos. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next.